when most probably the Third World War will start? Will there be any other world war after it? How many, if there is? And after which world war Ahmediyya will spread over more than half of the world and beyond?
Who has asked the question?
The same person from Russia.
From Russia?
Yes.
Right. If the Third World War begins, will it not be fought with atomic weapons? And just Russia alone has the arsenal, atomic arsenal at her disposal, which can destroy the entire world 100 times. So if the Third World War is fought in earnest, there are two possibilities. Some rash world government in their madness, or some individuals employed by them in their madness, decide to destroy the world and open up the inferno in which the entire earth will burn many times over. Either this possibility, or all the powers in the world which possess some atomic weapons, they will realize that this possession is made not only by them, but by their enemies. So this is called atomic deterrent. This warns all the world powers who have this weapon available that if they utilize it, they may destroy a portion of some parts of the world, but they will be hit back from all sides. And in that event, the whole world will be destroyed. So this is deterrent. If this deterrent is taken into account, then the only alternative is that the world war will be fought with conventional weapons, not atomic weapons. But that is no answer, because you can visualize a war fought with conventional weapons ending up in a conclusion. If the war is heading for total defeat of a country which also has atomic weapons, what it might not do? Driven to this last resort, it may think of hitting back because they have been defeated in the sight of the entire world, while they were considered to be a great world power. So why not hit back at the end and let it happen to the enemy, whatever it happens? So that desperation, that point of desperation can be reached by conventional warfare. Then there will be no deterrent. So there are so many possibilities which we are visualizing. Anything can happen. But one thing is certain, if Third World War takes place, according to the Holy Quran, it is very possible that the world will be ultimately destroyed by atomic fusions, and the rays which it will emit in the form of a smoke of cloud, which will travel all over the world, which will spell total destruction of whatever lies below. Now, because this is clearly predicted by the Holy Quran, so I am building these scenarios because this must happen. Whether it happens during the Third World War or the Fourth or the Fifth, Allah knows best. But this is the verdict of the Quran which must be fulfilled, and it will be fulfilled. And after that, it is predicted that Islam will spread all over the world, rapidly and widely. Right?